A user recently asked how to organize their lists inside of multiple other lists in twos. This is a feature a lot of people can become confused by, so I thought I'd make this video to help you nest and organize your lists. So on the left side we see by day, and on the right we have new videos to make list, and we can see that nesting and organizing lists is up next. And the thing underneath the question that was asked, they want to create a reading routine list and have that reading routine live inside of a reading list and a routines list. So what we'll do is we'll first create the reading routine list. I can just copy the contents of the list, and then on the left, I'll create a new list. And if I just paste the contents, Twos will automatically create a list with the title and divide up the contents into things. The next thing I want to do is add this reading routine list to a routines list. So how I'll do that is I'll come to the list actions, and then I'll add this list to another list. And if I search routines, I don't have a routines list, but if I click on the new list, it will add my search into the new list name, and then I can create the list, and we'll see the reading routine list now lives inside of my routines list. If I go to the routines list, I'll see the reading routine is now a sublist of our routines list, where we could put a daily routine, weekly routine, whatever you would like. If I wanted to also add this sublist to our reading list, I can select it here, use the add to button to add this to a reading list. And I do have a reading list, so I can add it to that. And we'll see that the reading routine list also lives inside of reading. And if we go to reading, we'll see a bunch of books and the reading routine sublist at the bottom. If I open up this reading routine sublist, I'll see this list lives inside of both our routines list and our reading list. So this is different than traditional documents and folders where a document can only live in one folder. Lists can be nested inside of any number of lists, so you can create any structure you'd like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Comment any questions you have below, and have a happy Tuesday.